Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make public music in Roblox. Start by preparing your audio file and confirming format and length, then upload through Create Audio and set permissions to public. Next, add the asset to a sound object in Studio, position it in the scene, configure volume and loop options, save and publish your place, and finally test playback in a live server so players can hear it. Begin by trimming and normalizing your track to avoid clipping and large file sizes, then open Roblox Studio and navigate to Create Audio to upload. Give the audio a descriptive title so you can find it later and choose public permissions during upload. After the upload completes, check for any moderation messages, replace or edit the file if needed, and make sure the asset ID is visible for easy linking in your project. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful Roblox guides. Quick recommendation. These leak-proof containers are perfect for meal prep between studio sessions because they keep food fresh and avoid messy keyboards, and they stack neatly in a backpack. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and if you grab one, enjoy the convenience. Now let's get back to the video. Place the sound object in your workspace and paste the uploaded asset ID into the sound ID field. Then configure volume, roll-off, and looping to match your scene. Always test in a live server rather than solo mode to confirm public access and how positional audio behaves for other players. If audio fails to play, recheck moderation status, public permissions, and file format, and consider reuploading a corrected file to resolve common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.